working all the time. Me I sit down there where you could have get right down.
What you are down there?
I better give me a pint yesterday. It is ready. And
So how long it take for the brother down there now?
He just gone up for 6 months. Come back, man.
If you are going to buy a rich
Brother, I'm going to bring you home now.
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
Because let me tell you something,
man.
brother.
Yeah, man.
You see, that time there
Yes.
in my life
Yes.
was very important.
Yes, I told you. I remember the man go buy some shoes. You remember, because me just said, stay here so run. Me live down there so. But me settings not so comfortable. And the brother, well, up here there, you know, the brother so glad for the privilege to meet the man. That the man just took exactly where man you we supposed to do. I will say rather than die, say run is the best, run go get, hey, some people make you run with me. And the youth look out and the man them enjoy as brothers.
Yes, sir.
And them things them in love with you. I mean I tell you, you're young, you know, man, you keep a same way, you know, put on now, you know, do nothing, you know. You alright, you know?
Sure.
A same way, so.
You know, cheers.
Yes, and that, you know, sure. I know you turn up.
I have to sit down beside you, you know.
I know you turn up, you know,
I
right?
have to sit down beside you because the people them need to know who teach me.
Respect you, man. Honorable man.
You see, them need to know who me is.
Yes, man. Yes,
When them
man.
see you,
yes, man.
them
yes,
see
man.
me.
Yes, man. It's
So
fact,
sometime in the world, them a look
No.
for me, but me camouflage the thing.
Yes. And yeah, I
You let
camouflage.
them know, man.
Yeah, I camouflage right
But the
through.
only way me can make them know who me is when me sit down beside him.
Alright.
Yeah.
I say me like yeah, I camouflage too, you know, because you see.
Because you don't know.
No, the man black and khaki. You know.
You see, when them see me, them don't know say me's like him.
Same.
They don't know.
True.
They don't know. They don't know say a film school me I come
When
from.
them see with him now.
So now when he must say, no man, when he must say, run,
Yeah.
we out of fluid camp run come from, you are gonna tell them.
Yes, man, you know, facts, man.
Let me suck in the stomach, I don't want to look like me too much pork. You see me have to look good beside the teacher, you know.
Yeah.
But the teacher,
Pleasant,
them not know.
pleasant
Them not know
communication.
say me
Yes,
have
it
to
was
come back and see you.
Precisely.
Cause you bless me and you
Yes,
tell
man.
me
Yes, man.
from the you see some youth, you know.
Yeah.
You see when you set the thing up for them
Yeah.
and then God,
Forget.
they would have never give you the honor. But you see you, they're gonna give you the honor. You see me? What you deserve. Because if I never feel you, and you give me the strength at the time and say run. I see if Jamaica that come here and launch, you know, brother.
Yeah, man.
And me a buckle up, you know.
Yeah, man.
And the brother say, run. No.
Forward,
You can
man.
do it.
Man up,
How
man.
you mean? How you
Hey,
mean, man?
the video where you end up for Karel, man.
The fire.
The fire.
Them not see the fire yet, you know. So we are going
Yes,
so
our
all
fire.
of the Rasta man, them when you know say a few camp me a promoter when them see the them say, oh no, them are gonna know.
Yes, man.
Them are gonna know who me is.
Yes, man.
So you are the father, me are the son.
Run Patin. See Jamaica that come go to.
I mean,
Yeah, man. Genuine, man.
these are the found. Alright, remember people. You see the man? See him there?
Yes, likewise.
You see, when you see him, you see me.
True, man.
So when you don't see me in the future, don't mistake. If this is the father, this is the son.
Yes.
So just because you don't see me look like this.
He looks.
I'm one time me pork couldn't be now and then. And me cut out the meat now, you know.
Then I must
You see? You see?
Yeah,
You see?
yeah, no Kyle.
You see?
And the man clean too.
So me I come spend some time with you.
Yes, it have to.
True.
It have to.
So how them backside the thing? How them do it?
Alright, the guys come around and they choose the lands that they needed.
Yeah.
And then they recompensate the people. Some of them move them, put them somewhere else, and some of them just buy and the people go on them way. And then them nine out. And then they reclaim and grass it up, and it's a cow pasture all around.
Yeah, man.
Right, cows. But my holding is intact.
So what happened to your cows?
No. All animal free. We don't raise no more animal.
So you have breadfruit tree where you have now.
Birds, coconuts and breadfruits and lumber.
How much acres you still have?
16.
You go around them ends?
The on top of me, man.
So me I go hang out and cook, you know.
Must,
If me have one fish, me I cut it in two, you know, brother. That's how we live, you know, brother. You remember?
Yes, man, I said, come on. Yeah, they really put himself down there,
Because,
man.
brother,
Yes,
let me
man.
tell you.
Yes, man. And
You know, say tourists are going to come.
Alright. We are going to make him come.
Yeah, man.
I'm up. Because me say, I tell OG that 2 days ago. So OG, why is it that you know just tidy up the place, fence up the place? Because tourism, eco-tourism.
Because him brother set up
Hey, we have
set
one
up a
front
place
of,
somewhere,
hey, we
brother.
have a place down there now
When they
where
go down there,
stage
I
have.
must
Yes.
Set up a place, a natural place.
When me say you will come
play.
play already.
Yeah, man. We play down there already.
Eh?
Yeah, we got to work.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Stage,
Yeah,
nice
man.
restaurant, bar, lawn round the place. And down a yard nice seeing where oh yeah, see man.
Now the wilderness.
Yeah,
them
man.
set up
And
there.
now you have a food
Yeah,
guy because you have all beds and baths, man. You
Yeah.
can back, man, and enjoy yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
You-
We set up on the
Tell me, I tell you,
yeah,
without any form of negativeness in my
Brother,
tribe.
you see, here's the thing. These are the people
Yeah, man.
where me hang around, you know.
Yeah, man.
So more I'm telling the people, you
Positive
must
people,
understand
Yeah.
the people them where my family, see my
Yes, man.
family.
Yes,
here.
man. Yeah, man. Reality people.
True.
Yes.
You be on.
I hear me now, man. When me check out all brother flight up, stop there when me see them boy kneel down in their chest and in neck. Sure. Stay black every time.
Yeah.
Brother, one day, me a
Yes,
come,
it
me
a
a
go up,
come,
man.
you know, me a
It a
come,
go
you
up,
know.
man. It a go up,
So
man.
when me call you on the phone, me know say me not get you what, my Wi-Fi you there use.
No. You know, say, I was paying attention talking to my brother.
Okay.
And then when I hit my pocket and found out that it had a
So you buy minutes now, so what, you have a wife, you not get a wife yet?
Wifey, but we have wives.
Yeah, man. Some nice picking, you know.
Yes, man.
The boys will tell you that.
man.
Today.
You don't have to them a state for them there.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
So you not have none for me?
Yes.
They have two nice daughters.
Oh,
man.
two?
I have
Okay.
a son.
Yeah, man.
Other son,
Yeah.
he tried on.
Yeah.
And we have granddaughters
Yeah.
and grandson.
Yeah, man.
Brother, we have to go sit down and talk and eat and cook and reason, brother.
Yes.
You see me?
Yes.
You see me,
yes,
sir?
Yes,
We
man.
have to do it.
Yes, man.
I'm going to bring you on a trad with me now.
Yes, man.
And then we're going to trad back to you.
Yes.
You see, him know we can. Brother, I'm so happy
No,
to see
me
you,
say,
brother.
when Mr. Yui said to me, hey, who you think that? And then, me know his mother say nothing. He say, you know, say, Ron is here. And right away in this week, phone, I say, come make me hear your number.
Yeah.
So I asked
I didn't ask you, you know.
Yes, they know that him and tell
Because
her.
normally I don't make people call me, you know.
Exactly,
But
because.
when me hear him say, right, I make me say, the dragon.
Hey, so hear me to myself. You know, so now I call him. So me just go put on a card and sit down right here, so where we are right now, and call you. And when me hear you respond, and then me say, right, you know, that name them, him a call like that name them, you know, that name them big guy, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Dragon.
Look on the man, sir.
Yeah.
There's only one dragon in the world.
Yes,
In
sir.
Jamaica, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
This is the dragon.
Yeah, man.
Hey,
Yeah, man.
when we are at school, our headmaster had a picture of a dragon on his face. Above his head in his house. And you know, say, he calls a whole heap of youth to fear the man.
Yeah.
And the dragon was in red, total red. And if you have a look at my staff here, you know,
You have a...
look at this. This is a dragon
yes,
staff,
it's a
you know.
dragon.
You
It is
look
a
at
dragon.
that, man. That's a dragon, you
You
know.
see it there?
Yes, all these notches, you know, man.
See the head there?
Yeah.
This is a
Yeah,
dragon.
and you can have him standing
Anywhere.
anyway.
And when
that
him a
is-
fly,
when
stuff
him a
it,
fly,
come down and put the fire.
Exactly.
You must have said that to one of madman.
They don't see.
What kind of wood is?
Fig load.
Well, look here, sir.
That's why I keep in
Yeah,
notches, you know. So I say, but hey, I wonder if I want, she said, this strictly the dragon. And him a fly. All them notches, you
You
know.
want to see one of them? We carry from me, we find it in the bush around
Yeah.
my care come with carry. Living giraffe.
Aye.
Natural wood
Yes,
formation, not carve out.
yes.
The four
Yes.
leg, them on the long neck.
Yes. Why me brush this? I just to give me a hole, you know.
Mm.
A hole in that.
I'm going to show you my stuff, you know.
Must.
One day, me and you are going to try to open up. Because you see, when them see with me with him,
Yeah.
them are going to give me the respect me deserve.
Yes, man.
Enough people in the world not give me the respect in the father.
Hey man, all them Mali boys, man, you know, you how them a work, man.
Don't talk about nobody.
Yeah, that's true, that's true.
I just we there. I just we.
Our
time now.
Yes.
I'm going to show you my stuff in the truck.
Yes, right.
You see me? You see? I'm going to show you the thing, you know. I'm going to put on my garments and I'm going to try to know.
Exactly, you know, man.
And you see, when we show up, them all say, okay, a different thing. I the father of this.
True.
So we can't touch him. We can't touch him. Yeah, man, the spirit good. Me make it true. Enough try to stop me. You see, more time I have to pull for your picture, you know.
Yes.
I make them know, say, huh?
Boy, me say, when the eye tell I say, that the eye have that picture on him wall, and how many
Three of them.
How many people when request the picture? Proud of you, man.
No, that was the foundation of Jamaican spirituality.
Yes.
And I want to teach me higher levels.
Yes, man.
We light the first fire.
Fire down there, man.
You see me, and blaze it, and the world couldn't even stand it. But now it's 2020. It's time if we present it to them and make them know who we is. Because at the end of the day, a lot of people try to challenge me. And I say, but you know, so me work with the dragon. Oh yeah, go. Why you think me have fire when the father is the dragon? So why you think me have burn so much fire?
Hey,
look on him.
When the man label I as the dragon today, you know, me go in and me meds and me say, the dragon? And I say, yes man, I dragon man, because dragon is really the flying lion, you know.
Yeah.
Check it out keenly. I remember I represent one of the biggest population at the dragon, them boy flying eyes were to think. So, you know, and so I am all things. But a guy feel now we all of these lives is I inhabit them, so therefore.
I'm going to bring you to meet some people. Because I want to create a circle.
Yes.
I'm going to bring you to my mountain where I'm going to build a temple.
Yes.
You see flat now?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm going to roll with it because we have space.
Yes, man.
You see me?
Man,
I'm going to bring you up top.
You can't leave him, man. You see him, this brother and I come from.
No, him did make a thing for me, you know.
Okay, we are come from
The
way back.
the money are spiritual to the levels,
you know. Come from way forward, man. In parents and fly parents and grandparents are associated.
Cause green drop out. I have the video, you know.
Hey, man.
You know, see me have lock everything.
Yes, man. It's a good thing. I did all those things and have them in the archives because when people see all that now.
I'm going to bring it, merge it together. I'm going to open up back the gates.
Yes.
So they can make the fire come through and them say, So the people that will play with me,
yes.
I'm going to say, okay, maybe we shouldn't play with him.
Leave him alone.
Leave him alone.
Make him present what we need to know.
Yeah, because this is ancient.
Yes, because your thing, Save Jamaica that coming when the man tell her, you know, that. Save Jamaica that coming. You know, Sister Jamaica needs saving.
Right now.
To the folly.
Right now.
You know, see, so when we produce the culture now, we rename it to Jamaica Good Life.
Sure.
So now they must say good life in a trench town.
Exactly.
But them don't know, say you are the foundation. I mean, when you talk about Bob Marley, but when you look on the man, you say,
yes,
him give on the strength.
Yes,
so that's why people are say good life all over the world now because of you.
Exactly.
Because of you.
It's strength now. Yeah.
When a man like this strength up and say, yeah.
Go forward.
Yeah, man.
Where I go do?
No more go forward. Yeah, man.
How much years you spend at the mountains? How old are you now?
Right up in the 7th decade.
Yeah, man.
See, and when I left out of Loveland system 1971, so me in the hill 49 strong, you know.
49 years in the mountains.
So you know, a whole heap of experience, go through all of the rough tribulations. Still have endured to by passage, still long enough.
Yeah, true.
The passage are conquering until you reach the end, you know.
Yeah. True.
You know, reach it, you know. So the journey this began because now they are going to launch it hotter.
Same way.
Journey this began now, you know, in a new age, you know. Yes, man, our thing have to take it now. So we have a lot of work to do and a strength work. This
That's why I'm going to roll with you.
You know, most of the
You know me say, take a picture for me. because take a picture for me around this stuff. You know the white button, just keep pressing it, alright?
Try this.
Yes.
At this angle. This
Yeah
angle.
man. We're there with the king. This is the man. The dragon.
Yes.
This is the dragon.
Yes,
We
yes,
can't
you can't
believe it.
hold it, can't let them see it. Yes.